Let me focus. God bless me to be a monkey. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have the new version of the F-14 Tomcat. Now, I did try to get another video for this, so this is the second time I'm flying it, but the first video actually got messed up. The brightness and the resolution and everything was all messed up, so you was not able to see the plane. So I ended up crashing in it right there. I definitely can put a little bit of the footage that I caught, because when I got to the fence where it crashed at, the resolution was pretty good. It wasn't so bright, but you could definitely tell it was messed up. Crashed it really bad. So I did the same thing again, and that's why you heard the motor turned off instantly. So I think that was it for that plane. All right, we're pretty good. I think, oh no, maybe not. Take off. There you go. Ugh. All right, well, good news is, let me put this down. Good news is, this is nothing bad. This is really nothing bad. I have a couple of, well, I actually have all the pieces for this plane, so I could actually just cut these pieces out and glue them back in. That is not bad. And our wings and everything else is in the back is good. I'm gonna add some landing gear. I'm definitely gonna add some landing gear. We have to go to the other side because we're definitely missing a battery. We're missing an 800, 3S right there. So we're just gonna go across over there. This pole, okay. It has that little tree line right there, so we don't lose that magically how the plane lost itself last time. So it flew good. What I decided to do now was add landing gear. So, and I added a little bit of color orientation, so that way I could get to seeing right. Now, I got my mixes set up as well. So right now this is full takeoff right here. So we have some up elevator, and then if we go, this is what I call the speed mode. And then right here, this is like basically high alpha and good maneuvers. But that's what I got it for. But she's really good though. Now I have her set right here so that way I could get enough of the runway. And then I'm gonna actually walk over. So let's cross our fingers and let's hope she's actually good. Okay, that was a bad one. So I'm gonna definitely have to give it a little bit more straighter if I want to make that runway up there. Okay. Woo! Like a real plane, everyone. Now I might have to take these gloves off because it's definitely messing me up a tiny bit. But wow. I'm gonna trim her out a little bit. Wow. She is very smooth now. I do have her on high rates right now. I'm gonna sweep the wing midway, all the way. Okay, that's midway. Definitely don't like that maneuver. So now it's all the way. Okay, it's all the way in. It doesn't like that maneuver all the way in, so guys, I crashed it. I lost orientation. All right, hopefully she didn't land in the street. So she didn't land in the street. That is good. But I think that was a pretty hard landing because I thought I had her orientated right. But I definitely didn't. It was going the opposite way. So that was a big problem. The sky is definitely a big problem right now. It's white. So that definitely messed me up. It's totally fine. I'm hoping I could fly it again. I think it crashed nose down though. Hopefully she didn't. Okay, we lost telemetry from the battery. Oh, it's right here. Okay. She's actually still good. Besides a lot of dirt in the nose. So we'll still be able to fly. That's a big plus. Our battery, everything is still in there. All right, so let's take this dirt off and let's get back in the air and take these gloves off, man. I promise you, that is exactly what messed me up. I'm actually gonna take this way. I promise you, that's exactly what messed me up, so it's no biggie, it's no biggie. As long as our wheels and our wings are still good and intact, we're pretty much fine. But like I said, everyone, these planes are durable. You will see in about a second. So I actually might have enough room to take off in the dirt. I was just concerned about the prop hitting the ground, but we actually have enough clearance. Everyone, we actually have enough clearance. So here we have it. Let's do our takeoff. All right. Yeah, definitely need a straight runway for this one. Need some trimming. Gotta watch those trees, everyone. Wings swept in. Wow. So she definitely doesn't shift the CG a lot when I change it. Crashed into the school, man. I'm always losing orientation, guys. Always losing orientation. So now we gotta figure out how we're gonna get that. After she was flying pretty good. So the only thing I don't like about this plane is I keep losing orientation. So now we gotta figure out how we're gonna get that. All right, everyone, I know this is sketchy, But I'm actually gonna put my gloves on. I'm gonna climb this because I try to find another way to get up there, and there's literally no other way. The only good thing is the Lord blessed me to be a monkey. I would definitely leave it up there and wait till the school tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain today, so. And I need that server. I mean, I need that let me focus. God blessed me to be a monkey, and we get up there just like that. So I really wasn't stressing it, and it was definitely my fault. So I thought that the little bit of tape will help me be able to see the plane better, but guys, that's definitely not working at all. Looks like this step's left broke right here. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna put it in backwards. All right. I'm kind of glad I'm getting all this in video, so that way everybody knows what to do and what not to do. Make sure you're able to see your planes in the sky. Now, that is actually done for today. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. So that was it's a little hard one. Is it fixable? It's definitely fixable. And this right here. Yeah, so it's definitely fixable. Let me know in the comments down below. Should I fix it and we fly it again? It'll be about the second time we fixed it, and re-fly over there. So that was kind of sketchy. I was trying to orientate it back, fly it back, and get it back over there, but I was literally looking at this bottom the whole time. I was not seeing no blue and no nose. I was literally seeing the bottom. But all right, everyone, I guess this plane is meant to be crashed. I definitely do need a little bit more control, so it's all right. You seen it was turning kind of slow. I had my expo set at -25, and my high rates was at 75, so it was pretty slow. So it is kind of my fault, but I really wanted a smooth fly, smooth turns, nothing snappy, nothing snappy. But all right, everyone, that wraps it up for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.